Protect property fast with strong, reliable cutters for tough locks. Best bolt cutters for locks, heavy-duty jaws, hardened steel, and comfortable grips for quick, clean cuts every time, whether at home or on the job. Dependable performance when it matters. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. WORKPRO W017007A Bolt Cutter. The WORKPRO W017007A bolt cutter is designed for durability and efficiency, making it a reliable choice for home or professional use. Its drop-forged chrome molybdenum steel jaws are powder-coated to resist rust and wear, ensuring a long service life, while delivering clean, precise cuts. The classic lever fulcrum design amplifies cutting force, allowing users to cut through bolts, rods, rivets, and chains with minimal effort. Ergonomic, bimaterial anti-slip grips provide comfort and control even during extended use, making it easier to handle tough jobs without hand fatigue. The cutter handles a wide range of materials with a cutting capacity of up to 25 over 64 inches for HRC less than 42 metals and 15 over 32 inches for HRC less than 25 metals. Lightweight yet strong, this bolt cutter combines practical design and professional-grade materials, offering a dependable tool for anyone who frequently deals with hardware cutting tasks. Whether for chain cutting, metalwork, or general maintenance, the WORKPRO W017007A stands out for precision, power, and ease of handling.
Number 2. SPENDINS Bolt Cutter. The SPENDINS bolt cutter is a high-performance tool that balances strength, leverage, and comfort for a superior cutting experience. Measuring 30 inches in length and weighing 8 pounds, it is compact enough to operate in tight spaces while providing the leverage needed for tough cuts. The blades are made of drop-forged chromium molybdenum alloy steel, induction-hardened, polished, and blackened to deliver long-lasting sharpness and precision. SPENDINS includes a pair of heavy-duty gloves, adding extra protection while working. With its durable materials, extended handles, and carefully engineered cutting mechanism, this bolt cutter delivers exceptional performance without requiring excessive effort. It is a versatile and reliable tool for home, construction, or professional applications where strong, precise cuts are essential.
Number 3. TOOLEAGUE Bolt Cutter. The TOOLEAGUE Bolt Cutter set is ideal for users looking for versatility in a compact package. The set includes a 14-inch heavy-duty bolt cutter, a 10-inch high-leverage cable cutter, and an 8-inch mini bolt cutter, along with a convenient storage bag. Each cutter is built with high-carbon steel blades, providing strength, durability, and long-lasting cutting efficiency. The ergonomic PP plus TPR handles of the 14-inch and 8-inch cutters offer comfort, control, and reduced hand fatigue during repetitive tasks. The 10-inch cable cutter easily shears soft aluminum, copper, coaxial cables, and communication wiring, making it perfect for electricians and DIY enthusiasts. Compact and portable, the TOOLEAGUE set provides a practical solution for both household and professional use. Its combination of quality materials, thoughtful design, and multiple cutting options makes it a dependable choice for anyone who needs precision cutting of bolts, rods, or wiring.
Number 4. KSE141585 Bolt Cutter. The KSE141585 bolt cutter is a robust 24-inch tool designed for heavy-duty cutting tasks, capable of handling larger bolts, rods, and chains with ease. Constructed from high-quality steel, it ensures long-lasting durability and reliable performance even under repeated use. Its black anti-rust coating protects against corrosion, maintaining cutting efficiency over time. The ergonomic handles provide a secure and comfortable grip, minimizing hand fatigue during prolonged operation and giving users better control over challenging cuts. Its balance between maneuverability and cutting strength allows for smooth operation in tighter spaces while still delivering the power needed to slice through thicker materials. Ideal for general metal cutting, chains and rods, this bolt cutter provides dependable performance for users who require a high-quality, long-lasting tool.
Number 5. WORKPRO 8-inch bolt cutter. The WORKPRO 8-inch bolt cutter is a compact and portable tool designed for precision cutting in smaller projects. Its drop-forged CRV steel jaws offer high hardness, HRC 60 to 62, and exceptional wear resistance, ensuring a long-lasting, reliable cutting edge. Although it is not recommended for heavy-duty lock cutting, this 8-inch cutter delivers a maximum capacity of 6 mm or 15/64 inches for HRC less than 20 metals and 4 mm or 4/25 inches for HRC less than 40 metals, making it perfect for small rods, wires, and DIY tasks. Ideal for industrial sites, home improvement projects, and general repair work, the WORKPRO 8-inch bolt cutter is a practical, versatile tool that balances power, precision, and convenience for users who need reliable performance in a small form factor. After exploring these top bolt cutters, you now have a clear view of their strengths, durability, and cutting performance. Whether tackling heavy-duty chains or small rods, each tool offers precision, comfort, and reliability. Choose the one that fits your needs and make every cutting task safer, faster, and more efficient.